Hello and welcome guys to a new episode on Top Drives Fnatic. Today we're gonna do the Turin Italy of the Yellowbird series. So let's get straight into level 1. We can't of course use this. We have to go like this. Let's see. I've got you upgraded a little bit. But you upgraded. I've got you upgraded, so why not? Now we can pick off the rares. I can still pick you. Pick you. Let's see what we have to face. Can I do it with this team? That's of course the question. I will put you here. I put you here. I'll put you here. Put you there. And put you there. Let's see. Should be fine, right? This one is. This one is. This one definitely is as well. This one is. Yeah. I can even lose the last one and it doesn't matter. But I won't. Exactly. And we got the pack. The USA pack. 4, 5. Great. Let's get straight into level 2. First let's add this car. Okay, so we actually have to think about this. So let's do that. Let's filter car attributes medium high. Let's do that first. Sort of handling like this. Then we have to beat you. That really doesn't help. Yeah. You'll probably win there. That'll be fine. Then let's unfilter like this. Right here. Let's do 0 to 60 time like this. You will go straight into here. And you will go straight into here. Then we can do it like this. Filter, car attributes, medium high. Filter. Yeah, that's the only filter we have. It doesn't need to be rare. Exactly. And I can use you. I'll be fine, I think. Like this. Oh, he wasn't. Okay, easy. He wasn't even medium high. Didn't look at that. 3, 4, 5. Let's just add them straight away. It's actually new. That's great. This is actually new. Add, add, add. Now let's get into level number 3. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so let's take a look. Italian rare filter. Car attribute standard like this. Then let's see. Yeah. Nobody really is capable of beating that. I know you are not capable of doing that, but I want to test how close at least you get. For this one, I want you. I want you. I want you forever, ever. Do, 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 do. Okay, so let's do this one there and this one there then. Oh no. We are gonna do it like this. And then we just need. Am I doing this right? Yes. And then carding circuit, let's just filter. Stand that off. Exactly. Easy. Easy. Let's see who loses and who wins. I think the third one loses. That's pretty clear. But let's see what the other one does. Yeah, this one loses. That's clear. This one just loses. This one wins, right? Yeah. Okay, so we get it back, but we will have to upgrade to go further. So I will see you once this is upgraded, but first let's add those cars. I think they're all duplicate except for this one. Exactly. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, so let's try level 3 again. I've upgraded the cars that I think needed upgrading. And I think I now should be able to do it. The biggest problem was the third level. But I think I've tackled it now. So should be no problem anymore. So let's see. Okay, it's fine. Then I can just skip. I know the other ones work. Now let's get into level numero 4. Oh, sorry. Okay, so 1, 2. Let's see what we're up against. Okay. So I think like this. This one is probably able to beat him. Maybe this one there. Nah. Let's first do this way. Exactly. This one. Here's fine probably. And maybe this one here. Can of course upgrade him. That should be no problem. But this maybe is better. Then we filter. Medium high. Filter medium high off. And we can use, I think we can use you, and we're fine. So let's see. Oh my, I'm looking at the wrong freaking stats again. I've done it again. I've just done it again. This is the second time in 2 days I've looked at the wrong stats for a level, so I did the wrong squad. Which of course is just dumb. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. I'm sorry for this. You here. You here. There's one there. There's one there. And this one here. Super fun. I think. 69. Woo! Here's the amount of points. This one quite easy as well. Okay, so we got that car. That's not too bad. Let's get into level 5. Filters. Like this. Let's go again. Oh no 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 no. Yeah, I think you're fine there. I do have that car, yeah, I was gonna say I do have that car, am I right? This one here. That one there, probably. Almost the same. Maybe like this. That was just this will probably be fine, right? You were medium high, right? Yeah. You there? Oh wait, I want to switch this one then. That one should be fine. Let's see. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, that's easy. I didn't know this one was no. So let's just open this pack. 2, 3, 4. E. Actually a new car. That is sick. Ah, it's off the Pacific Highway. That explains a lot. Okay, so let's get into level 6 then. Oh wait. Okay, so let's go. Man. Oh, I can use them all, so that's great. Maybe I could better use you there. You there. You there. Still think you are there is fine. Especially now. I don't know why I didn't upgrade those. Okay, it's fine though. And this one is a 0 to 60 time. We could actually use someone like you. Like this. I think I should beat them all. This at least did. This did. This did. Yes, yes. Come on. Okay, so we get a premium USA. That's cool. Okay, so level 7, let's go. Okay, so this one was actually new. That's at least sick. Let's go through, let's see. Okay, so this will be a harder one, I think. Like this. We have to find something in the rain. This one definitely beats this one for sure. Yeah. No, I don't really have that one. So I'm gonna get off that. I will have to look which one I can actually use to beat that one. I'll come back to that. Like this. Okay. So we have. Oh wait. You will definitely not be used there. So I can actually use you there. With 4.8, 4.3. I actually don't know if you can. You will definitely beat this one. You will have to beat this one, but I don't think you do already. I think I have to upgrade you. Let's just... Yeah, let's just try this. This definitely works. Like, there's no question about it. This definitely works, no question about it. This one doesn't work probably. Oh, it does. I didn't expect this. Then I really hope this one works as well. Because he will be catching. Oh, he isn't. He isn't. Then I think this one works as well. Yeah. Okay, I actually didn't expect to get through this in one go. I expected to be wrong at least here. Okay, so that's great. Add. This definitely is new. Yes. Add, and add. Now let's see. Level 8 already. Let's go. We need one ultra rare. Let's see. Okay, so this is it. So first let's do it like this. We will have to beat you. We would prefer this, yes. Filter, car attributes, medium high. I think this one is quite easy. Yeah. I will just use you. Then we have a filter, medium, high, off. Is there anyone that really needs you? No. But why not? Yeah, no, you will not make it. And I think you, why not? And then we go fast circuit. Maybe let's just use you. And let's use this one should be fine. Right? Yeah, I do have more handling, so should be fine. Let's see, this one should be definitely fine as well. Oh, he's again low. Could have known. I don't know why they do that. That makes it so freaking easy. Like I can already, I know I win the next two, but I could have lost one of the two, and I would have been fine still. So yeah, well, the 350 or something. Yeah. Get back again. 1, 2, 3. Ah, I was really hoping, but I think it's a new car. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's get into level 9 then. Okay. Like this. We'll first do the slalom. I think maybe you beat it. 5.7. Sounds as you can beat that. Sounds like you can beat that. You there? Maybe you there? And you there? Let's just see. Oh, I made a mistake with the third one. I'm now disagreeing with myself. This one was at least a good choice. This one, I think his car is faster, but my handling is way above. Exactly. This one, I'm actually curious. Okay, I did do it. Yeah, exactly. Already thought he was gonna catch up, but not that fast. Ooh, I lost this one. Okay, so I'll need to find another car, but I don't have the points to try this level again. Okay. This is actually new. Okay. So, yeah, I know. Oh, I need to. Okay. I just need to remember the last one is the problem. Okay. I will see you once the problem is fixed. Okay, so I've exactly 200 points, so I need to do it first time. So this is my team. I changed this car. So this car is now in. I've upgraded, like you see, fully on the speed. It should beat it. It's very fast for a rare run. And the rest already beat it, so didn't need to change that. Don't change a winning team, they once said. Let's go. So the first four are just a formality. We've already done it, so why not? Yeah. And now the moment of truth, because I don't know for sure, but I think he has higher speed, he has higher 0 to 60. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we've won it. And now on to level 10. I don't actually know what we have to face. So if we change this into this, what do we have to face? Okay. This seems quite easy. Yeah. It does seem quite easy. Okay, so let's build a team for this. Let's first do, of course, go to descending. Let's add this car. Now we've just got exactly. Let's do it like this. Exactly. So we have to beat this. Easy. Yeah, no. Definitely no. Maybe you have to use a higher card. Car, I mean, not card. Like this. I think this beat this as well. But I don't want to make a mistake. That's basically what I'm worried about. Okay. And now we have to beat this. I'm worried we actually won't do this. So let's pick you for this. I'm worried we won't do that one if we don't choose that one. So I will use you there. Basically how I'm gonna approach it. I'm not worried you won't do it there, so I will choose you there for sure. So we need someone. I'm actually not sure. This is actually struggling. I'm actually struggling. It's too low. This is definitely good, right? I don't have this upgraded fully. But what is the difference? Not that much. It needs that upgrade. Fuck. I'm struggling. This one. Why won't this be that? That's basically my question I'm asking myself. I think it does. And now we just need someone for that. And that will be you. And I should be fine. Please don't let me be mistaken by this. Yeah, okay, this one is fine. But this one is the one I'm unsure about. The second one, I'm unsure about this. It should. It doesn't. Why doesn't? Bitch, where? I will just skip. Cancel. This is the most annoying thing. Because I now can't change my team. Oh my god. This is destroying me. Okay, no problem. I will just see you in a second. Okay, so let's try level 10 again. I've added this car instead of the other car I used. Should be fine, right? This one works. This one I think was the problem, but not anymore. Yes. Great. Great. And great. Okay, so I've done it. So Thank you all for watching. Please have a great day. Like and subscribe if you want to. And I will see you.